Hey guys, so today we're going to be making the sunflower from Plants vs. Zombies, my Peashooter cake that I made a while ago. You guys really seemed to like that video, so I decided to make another character from Plants vs. Zombies, which is Sunflower, and yeah, let's get started. So first I just printed out a template of Sunflower and I put that template on top of the cake, and now I'm just cutting out the shape of Sunflower. Next, I'm just taking my buttercream frosting and I'm giving the cake a crumb coat, and a crumb coat is just a very thin layer of frosting. A crumb coat seals in all the cake crumbs so that when we put the colored frosting on top, there's no crumbs that get into the colored frosting and you just get nice clean frosting once you start decorating. Don't forget to frost the sides too. Once your crumb coat is done, you can put your cake into the fridge for at least an hour to chill. So now I took my sunflower template and I cut out her face, and I know it looks kind of freaky, it's like creeping me out a little, but just take your knife and lightly make an outline using her face cut out, and I'm just pressing the knife lightly onto the cake. I'm not cutting into the cake, I'm just pressing lightly to form an outline. So now I'm just taking a light brown frosting and I'm covering that face outline that we just created with this brown frosting. Also try and smooth it out as best as you possibly can, because this is her face and you want her face to be nice and smooth. So now I'm just taking this golden yellow color and I put it into a piping bag. I'm not using any fancy tips, I just snipped the bag, and now I'm just piping on some dots because then we're going to spread it out and that's going to create the look of the petals. And I know this looks so messy right now and it looks terrible, but don't worry, we're going to fix that later. Don't forget to cover the sides of her head with the yellow frosting. So now I just dyed my frosting a grassy green kind of color and I put it into a piping bag and just snipped off the end, no fancy tips, and now I'm just globbing on some frosting on the bottom and smoothing it out with a spatula. And of course, you guys know the drill by now, you just gotta put some frosting on the sides. So now I just put some black frosting into a piping bag and now I'm just piping on the outline for her petals, her face, her leaves, her stem, and I also use the black frosting to draw on 2 eyes and a smile. And now for the final step, I just put a little bit of white frosting into a plastic bag because I didn't want to use a piping bag and waste it for such a little detail, but I just drew 2 white pupils on her eyes. And here is our beautiful sunflower cake. I love it. I think she looks adorable and so happy, and It just looks so much like sunflower. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should make next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!